Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I cannot wait to share with you what I got in the Beautylish Lucky Box. Lucky bag. This is my first time doing it. I've seen some really cool boxes in years past. I love Beautylish. They have a lot of great brands that I enjoy. So I took the plunge this year. I got the regular sized one, which was $75. I think it ended up being $90 after the shipping. And there have been some variations. I can't wait to see what I got. I had some fun getting ready this morning. I went through my stash and was looking for brands that Beautylish carries. I thought that would be fun. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. But one of the items that I really enjoyed playing with today was my Wayne Goss eyeshadow palette. This is the Imperial Topaz. So pretty. I am actually doing makeup for a wedding next weekend. I offered it as a gift, and I'm thinking about using this palette. It is just such a silky, beautiful, ethereal looking palette. And then everything else on my face, a whole lot of Danessa Myricks. I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below. And of course, as I'm going through this box, I will have no idea how much anything costs, but I will for sure pop it up and have those items linked as well. All right, so the box is open. I know you get a fancy paper, so let me pull paper out. Not peeking. From what I understand, they use a different artist every year. This is what mine looks like. There is a little card. I'm a lucky duck. And then beyond that, there is some black paper protecting the products. I feel bubble wrap. My box was on the lighter side. What are my hopes for this box? All makeup. I know that's not going to happen, but I would prefer all makeup. Since I started using tretinoin, my skincare routine is ridiculously simple. So all the skincare that I have is just sitting, because I'm so afraid that my acne will come back. This feels like a bottle, and this is the I heard about people getting this. This is the Jupiter Dandruff Scalp Treatment. I do not have dandruff. For the relief of symptoms from scalp itch, irritation, flaking, and redness associated with dandruff. That's a disappointment. Here's a little thing. It says Lid Lacquer, Komugi. I don't know if that's the brand. Oh, it's Surratt. So very fancy packaging. It is wrapped prettily. Inside the box. I guess the shade name is Komugi. Very curious. Silky smooth. I do like the shade. Comes in like a gift box. Okay, that gets a okay. The whole lacquer thing makes me feel like it'll move around crease. Here's the next one. MOB Lip Capsule. I think I saw this as well. It is a lip balm and lip capsule. Ooh. Super balmy. Oh, it has a weird smell. Maybe it's herbal? I don't know what I'm smelling, but it's a little odd. Let me know if you've tried any of these things and thoughts on them, please. Oh, I almost looked. I glanced down and caught myself. This feels like a bigger box. Oh, it's a Wayne Goss brush. I used my Wayne Goss brush doing my eyeshadow. I think I have the 13. This is the White Gold collection, and it is the angled bronzer brush. I love Wayne Goss. Now, I think this is his synthetic line. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up and confirm. Oh, so soft. So I actually have been liking this kind of brush for my blush. that feels lovely. First hit. It's another bigger box. This is Susanne Kaufmann Moisturizing Mask. Infuse the skin with hydration with this gentle mask developed to nourish the skin by replacing lost moisture, featuring a blend of hyaluronic acid to bind moisture into the skin, antioxidant almond oil, and nutrient-rich wild pansy extract to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and improve skin elasticity. Apply a generous layer to face and neck after cleansing and leave on for 15 minutes. That's never gonna happen. All right, I'm gonna set this aside. I'll put it in a giveaway because maybe some people like doing that. I'm just not a mask person. I have been using under eye patches every day. It would have been nice to get some under eye patches, but no. Good Molecules Pimple Patches. That's okay. I will keep these. You never know. I might need it, or I will gift it. All right, this feels promising. Please let this be a palette. It's the Natasha Denona I Need a Warm. I do love this palette. I do own this palette. So guess what? This video is turning into a giveaway because I already have some things set aside for the special video that I was planning to do to celebrate my 4-year anniversary on YouTube. So I'm just gonna do it now. It's been a wild 4 years. I have loved doing this YouTube thing. I am still learning about sound and lighting and how to promote my videos, and still making every effort to enjoy what I do. I try not to get pulled into what gets views or what I think everyone wants to see that maybe I don't enjoy doing. So I'm trying to stay authentic. I thank every one of you that's been here since the beginning. Any one of you that this is your first video. If you are watching this right now, I want to say thank you. I hope that if you've not subscribed, you will subscribe, because that is part 1 of the giveaway. But let me step back and explain to you what's going to be in the giveaway. Some of my favorite things, I have an e.l.f. brow lift right here that'll keep those brows in place. I love this product. I have a Morphe Make It Big mascara. This is one of the fastest volumizing mascaras that I've ever owned. I really enjoy it. I have gifted this to friends and family in the past. I like this mascara. If you want those bright under eyes, this is from AOA. This is their Flawless Setting and Finishing Loose Powder. This is one of those quads with 4 different shades. I love this. It is in my stash. You're gonna get an LYS palette. This is the Unapologetic palette. Let me just show you what it looks like inside. Obviously it has not been touched. This is what it looks like. You know I love LYS, so when I had an opportunity to buy a second one, I got it. I own this palette. And now we have a couple more things to add because of my lucky box. I'll add this Juniper dandruff treatment. Maybe you have dandruff, or you have somebody in your life that has dandruff. And I'm gonna give you this moisturizing mask from Susanne Kaufmann. And then of course, I'm gonna give you this. This is the Natasha Denona I Need a Warm palette. This was in my top of the year awards. This is one of my favorite palettes from Natasha. Here is what it looks like. It is stunning. It has a mirror. It is heavy duty. You can change the colors inside. $69 value. I want to say thank you. And I'm glad that I got this opportunity to do that. If you would like to be in the drawing, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and that's publicly subscribed. So if I look at your channel, I should be able to see who you are subscribed to, and I should be able to see my name. You're going to need to give this video a thumbs up, and of course leave a comment letting me know that you would like to be entered into this giveaway, and of course a way to contact you, whether it is your email or your Instagram tag, some way for me to be able to reach out to you. I will leave this giveaway open for 1 week. and I will pin a comment with the winner. I will have any additional rules or details down in the description box below. I'm going to put the value of the box right here. Editing Jen is going to look everything up and pop it up for you. Am I disappointed? A little bit. It would have been nicer to get a newer Natasha Denona release. I did see some people got the Roxa palette. I did not own the Roxa palette. That would have been nice. But I didn't get all skincare, and I love my Wayne Goss brush. That is probably my favorite thing that I got. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your support, and here's to the next 4 years.